In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit HTML in WordPress using the Gutenberg editor. If you're looking to make tweaks to your WordPress page or post, particularly by diving into the HTML code, you're in the right place. This process can seem a bit daunting if you're new to it, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step, ensuring that you understand how to navigate and make changes within your WordPress dashboard. First things first, you'll want to log into your WordPress site. Once you're in your dashboard, the next stop is finding the specific page or post you wish to edit. You can do this by heading over to the Pages or Posts section, depending on what you need to adjust. This is where all your content is stored, ready for you to customize and perfect. After locating the page or post you'd like to edit, the next step is to click on Edit. This will take you into the editing interface where you can view and modify your content, but what we are really interested in is editing the HTML code. Once in the Gutenberg editor, you'll notice that WordPress organizes your content into blocks. Each block can be edited individually, and sometimes you may want to dig deeper into the HTML behind a specific block. To do this, click on the block that you want to edit. You'll see a menu with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots, and you'll see an option called Edit as HTML. Selecting this option will take you to the HTML code of just that block. Now, if you're looking to edit the entire page or post's HTML, there's another simple way to do this. You need to find the Overall Options menu within the Gutenberg interface, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the 3 dots to reveal additional options. Here, you'll find something called the Code Editor. Click on this option, and the entire page or post will switch to HTML view, allowing you to see and edit all the code on the page. As you work within the HTML, be cautious about what you change. Editing HTML can powerfully influence how your site displays content, so ensure you're making changes intentionally. Feel free to take your time, explore the code, and when you're done, you can switch back to the Visual Editor by selecting the Visual Editor option from the same menu you used to enter the Code Editor. And there you have it. You've just learned how to edit HTML in WordPress using the Gutenberg editor. This skill can be incredibly useful, offering you more flexibility and control over the look and functionality of your site. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and guides in our future videos. Happy editing!